YouTube? My name is Las Hernandez from TRT Fit, and welcome to an update on my journey to getting in the best shape of my life. Welcome. On YouTube, this is Las Hernandez from TRT Fit, and I just wanted to give you guys a little update regarding my progress. We are officially reaching month 1 on TRT, which will be about my 3rd shot. I actually just picked up fresh new box, and I will be doing my injections. So if needles scare you or if injections scare you, feel free to skip towards the end. But pretty much what I'm taking right now is testosterone cypionate injection. This bottle contains 200 milligrams. I do take about 0.5 milligrams of testosterone. I'm sorry, which now opened up. Actually, it's 0.5 milliliters. So what I take is all the way here to the half mark. So I will take you to the process of how I inject myself. It is very scary for me. Still, this is the 3rd time. Just because of the size of the needle, it is very, very scary. So it comes like this. It comes with a guard. The injection. Like that. We open the box. So these are my vials of the testosterone cypionate. They're tiny, and this pretty much contains exactly 2 injections, which is pretty much about a month supply, because I get an injection every 2 weeks, and I do it myself. I'm in no way, shape, or form an expert on doing this. This is just pretty much the way that I found that works best for me, and the way that I feel comfortable doing it on myself, because again, it is extremely scary for me. So this is exactly how we do it. Okay guys, trying to give you guys a little better angle here. So what I first do is that I take the testosterone, pop the little cap, and then I like to wipe it down. Grab the injection. This is what I have to stick into my leg. So this is the reason why my hands shake all the time. I'm sure there is an easier way. There's thinner needles. This is the one that was prescribed to me by my doctor. When I go back, I will talk to them just to make sure to see if there's something smaller than this, because this is extremely big and scary. So what I like to do, you insert the needle, and it's like an oil. So it's like a thick liquid. And then you like to hit it a little bit just to take out all the air bubbles. Once the air bubbles are out, you squeeze it just a little bit. just to get whatever else is stuck in there. Then we put the cap back on. This is just my process again. I get another swab just to clean the area. I like to inject myself on one leg, then the next shot is on the other leg, and then I alternate legs. So I like to outer quadrant of my quads. This is the part that scares me, just because of the size of the needle. But I found the best way for me is that I grab the meat, like the chunky part, and then you don't want to wiggle it around. You want to go in as straight as possible. Once it's in, I let go, I relax, I draw back just to make sure that there's no blood and I don't hit any veins or any capillaries or anything. I don't know if that's the word. And then since the liquid is thick, I use two hands to hold the needle straight, and with the top hand, I squeeze very slow. One time I did it too fast and it hurt a lot. So this is a very slow process. And you can't see my face, but I am sweating right now. Again, the reason why I use two hands is just one stabilizes the needle, keeps it straight. The second one is the one that I use to the liquid. Once it's done, I stick it out, put the safety on, I grab the alcohol, and then I massage the area. I use two fingers, I clean, then I like to use my palm just to keep massaging it in. I do this for like about 30 seconds or so. I feel that this way it doesn't hurt me as much, at least for me, and I don't get bruises or anything. And that's pretty much it. Just wanted to take you guys on the steps that I take. I'm sure there's easier ways, there's smaller needles. Everybody has their own style of doing it. I'm pretty sure I'm not doing it the right way, but it's the way that I saw that works the best for me. I also wanted to share with you guys a little update picture, progress picture that I took on my first shot, and then the second picture that you see there actually side by side is 4 weeks later. Actually, it was taken yesterday, so pretty much a month into the treatment. I didn't see the difference. Like everybody would tell me, oh, your face looks different, your face looks fuller, you look like you have more energy, more drive, your body's changing, your chest is getting bigger, and honestly, I don't know if it was depression, sadness. I couldn't see myself making those changes until I saw the side by side, and then I was like, holy cow, yeah, things are starting to look brighter for me. So look at the picture, see the difference. I'll be posting more pictures side by side. Just again to keep track of how I'm doing. And I do thank you guys for following me on my journey and watching the videos and keeping tabs on me pretty much as to my progress. Thank you so much for following me and following my journey. Thank you so much. Please hit like, subscribe, and share. If you know anybody else that's dealing with sort of a similar situation, maybe give them motivation. anything to pretty much help them out through the process. It's not an easy process, and it's a very long process and very tiring. But once the medication starts taking effect, um, your life does change for the better. You start seeing things in a more positive way. Your energy goes up. I actually enjoy going to the gym now, um, because I see the changes. I see the gains in a month. All my lifts has gone up. My numbers are going up. It's just a miracle drug. It's a rejuvenating drug. Um, Thank you for sticking around. We will see you next time. Have a good one.